Hi viewers, Samanad Small Steps Trader channel. Hit at Dow will reflect at Nifty. Exactly happened today. The analysis will show that. So today's market mantra. The important key to investing is to remember that stocks are not lottery ticket by Peter Lynch. We have to always to remember this. Okay, we'll go to the analysis. So today Nifty minus 55 point ended at 19,310, high 19,373, low 19,253. 10 stocks ended positively, 39 stocks ended negatively. The top gainers is Adani Enterprises 3.68%, Adani Port 3.01%, Eicher Motor 1.41%, Maruti 0.91%, Britannia 0.74%. Top loser is Hero MotoCorp minus 2.17%, Tecum minus 2.01%, TCS minus 1.97%, Hindalco minus 1.88%, Infi minus 1.74%. So out of this minus 55 points, the biggest contributor in the negative side is Infosys 18 points, TCS almost 16 points, HDFC Bank 11 points. So this together almost close to 55 contributed. So Reliance given a positively 14.37 points positive contribution. Adani Enterprises 6.8 and Adani Food 5 point positive contributions. The sector wise, information technology minus 40 points negative contribution and financial services minus 20 points we can say. So positive points is from oil and gas 8.84 points and FMCG 5.59 points. So Nifty chart. So it had a gap down of 60 points. From there is no big sign of recovery. Again it came down. So until 10:45, if you see from the yesterday's close, it was minus 108 points. It was in the negative. So after 10:45, it had a give a recovery from the low 60 points. It had a give the recovery. So at this point, is during this time. So everyone think that okay, Nifty will recover and closed positively, but it didn't sustain that. Again, it came down 50 points down. But around 1:30 after that, see, decisively it recovered. Almost a vertical recovery, we can say. Within half an hour, it recovered from the low 115 points. It's recovered. So many of us we thought that it will continue on the upper side, but it didn't sustain that. And from there, at 100 points, it came down. Again, the same decisively has come down. So this is something like if anybody noticed my currency analysis, the same pattern happened in the currency as well. The reason is today the Eurozone's CPI data has come, though it has as is expected actual CPI data, but the same kind of pattern happened in currency also. So for personal traders, one day chart. If you see the one day chart, it is in the giving a negative pills only. So this is the support we can say 500 and 300. So still it is at the neck. It is close. So if this breaks, the next support 18750. There are a lot of possibilities this will touch here if it breaks. If you see the indicator, the minus DMI crossed above plus DMI and plus DMI almost it started to traveling minus 20 line below. So this is the sign of the negativity. The market go negative side only. Nifty Bank, it closed to minus 40 points negatively. It's not a big deal, but still it minus 40 points closed at 43,851. High is 43,957. Low is 43,672. 4 stocks ended positively, 8 stocks ended negatively. The positive contribution, the top gainer is AU Bank 2.09%, Bank Baroda 0.76%, Axis Bank 0.64%, IDFC First Bank 0.51% positively closed. The negative top loser is Punjab National Bank minus 1.26 percentage, Kotak Bank minus 0.92, Dal Bank minus 0.63, HDFC Bank minus 0.54, ICICI Bank minus 0.28 percentage. So out of this 40 negativity, the biggest contribution is HDFC minus 1 points negative contribution, Kotak Bank minus 34 points, and ICICI Bank minus 10 points. So it's collectively together, it's around 95 points is negativity. So which one is supported is Axis Bank. It's supported 29 point positive contribution, AU Bank 20 point positive contribution, Bank Baroda 11 point positive contribution. So because of these three, somehow the Nifty decently closed to just minus 40 points. If you see the Bank Nifty chart, from the at the beginning, from the yesterday's close, it was minus 225 in the negative, but it quickly recovered the whatever the negative. So at one stage from this low, it has reached 280 point in the upper side, but couldn't sustain that. From there, it started in the downside only. From there, 180 points it came down, around 43,775. So again it recovered from 150 point, it recovered again, it came 140 points, similar to Nifty and similar to currency. So again saying that around 230 the CPI data, Euro CPI data has come. So in currency also similar pattern it had happened in Euro and GBP also. So anybody like to view currency, you may report daily currency report also I used to post. So as per the day chart, it is in the negative side only. This is the stance zone support. We said 45,000 is the support. So this is the zone we can say. So if this break 43,500 now it's break decisively, there will be a big downside movement we can expect. So eagle sweep. So excluding large cap, the mid and small 400, we have to see. So this index still shows that still the momentum is intact. So if it comes down, we can surely 100% we can say our market further will go in the downside. So because of this still giving the hope, any point of time, maybe Nifty give a positive recovery that may be form as a higher low. We will see how that happens. So mid small 400 ended at minus 26 points, ended at 13,177. So total market index, which includes large cap, mid cap, small cap, and micro cap, that index minus 25 point ended at 9,386. So Nifty we already see in detailing. So FIA data. So FIA is a net selling of 266 crore net selling, and DA is 339 crore net buying. So monthly basis, the FIA is 10,925 crores negative net selling, and DA is 9,245 crores net buying. So this is monthly wise FIA data for your reference. So our big brother US market, the benchmark index DJ, it has a very big negative closes in the last session. So minus 0.84%, that is 290 points negatively closed at 34,474. So that's why in the thumbnail I've given that hit at Dow reflected Nifty. So this is what happening here. And now this is the strong support we can see. If this breaks, the fall will be further drastically come down. The broad market index, that also you see that decisively negative last session, minus 0.71 percentage, 33 point negatively closed at 4,370. So this also says that it's in the downtrend only. So with this we'll stop this. So this video is for learning purpose. Don't take any trading or investment decision based on this video. Always do your own study and analysis and take your own decision with the guidance of your SEBI registered advisor. See you in next video. Until then, bye. Thank you.